best electric cars you'll see on the road by 2025. The electric revolution has arrived, there's no denying it. It may have taken a while and certainly longer than it should have, but the automotive environment has shifted dramatically in the last several years. Almost every major automaker, premium brand, and supercar specialist has committed to producing entirely electric vehicles. What's more surprising is how rapidly these automobiles will arrive. Hundreds of electric coupes, sedans, crossovers, SUVs, and hypercars are expected to join the market between now and 2025. Here are 6 battery-powered vehicles we can't wait to see on the road in the next 4 years, ranging from the GMC Hummer EV to the Mercedes-Benz EQS and the Lotus Evija. Hello, and welcome back to my Tesla EV World channel. In today's video, we will take a closer look at what you can expect to see hitting the roads in the next few years, and the ones we know about that have us the most excited. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also, press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let's get started. Aspark Owl 2021. The Aspark Owl hypercar is the first of a planned line of high-end hypercars from the Japanese EV manufacturer. According to the company, their next-generation speed machine will arrive this year with a quad-motor powertrain capable of providing 1,985 horsepower and 0 to 60 mph acceleration in 1.72 seconds, a top speed of 249 miles per hour, and a 280-mile driving range. The $3.56 million electric hypercar will be produced in 50 units by the company. Only 10 of these are bound for North America, so you'll have to move quickly if you want one. Audi e-tron GT 2021. Over the last few years, the Volkswagen Group has made it plain that it is committed to electrification. This is true of all the company's brands, including the high-end Audi. The firm, like its German competitors, BMW and Mercedes-Benz, has previously produced an e-tron battery-powered line. The first vehicle, an SUV, was released in 2018, but the e-tron GT, the company's most exciting electric vehicle, will be available this summer. The $99,000 Grand Tourer will offer all the features that A7 sedan fans have come to expect, but without the emissions. Don't worry if the EV's 469 horses and 464 foot-pounds of twist aren't enough for you. An RS model is on the way. Bentley Electric SUV 2025. Although details are still few, Volkswagen Group's most opulent brand, Bentley, will get its own electric vehicle by the end of the decade. This isn't just any generic commitment either. It's a vow from Adrian Hallmark, the Marquis' CEO. The executives claim by the spring of 2021 that a battery-powered Bentley will be ready to go by 2025. It's unclear whether the vehicle will be entirely new or based on a current model, but don't be surprised if it's an SUV like the wildly popular Bentayga, which currently has a hybrid version. BMW i4 2021. BMW has a longer history with electric vehicles than most automakers. Last decade, the business introduced 2 totally electric vehicles, the ultra-compact i3 and the sporty i8, in addition to a host of hybrids. However, with its new i-Series vehicles, it's taking things to a whole new level. Some of the brand's most popular models, such as the X crossover and most famously the 4 Series sedan, will be available with battery power. The i4, the line's flagship, has 530 horsepower, 300 miles of range, and the M4's huge kidney grills. Prices were not available at the time of this writing, but the intriguing EV is slated to go into production later this year. Bollinger B1 and B2 2022. The Bollinger EV appeared like the perfect alternative for anyone looking for a massive, battery-powered utility vehicle before the new Hummer was introduced. The fact that a real Hummer EV is on the way doesn't take away from the startup's first offering. The B1 is a large SUV with an extended bed, while the B2 is a boxy truck with an extended bed. The company's EV is ideal for individuals looking for a zero-emission vehicle with a stunning retro style. Bollinger anticipates its electric engine to produce 614 horsepower and 668 foot-pounds of torque, with a serviceable range of 200 miles per charge, according to the company's estimates. A company release date has yet to be announced, but the firm is taking reservations for the $125,000 EV now. Cadillac Lyriq 2022. The Hummer EV may be the most anticipated GM vehicle since the C8 Corvette, but don't overlook the Cadillac Lyriq, its battery-powered cousin. The Detroit luxury company, like so many others, is opting for a crossover as its first electric vehicle. The exquisite SUV, which will go into production next year, takes the brand's previous design language and pushes it forward with a dynamic wide-set grille with an illuminated emblem and powerful LED lights. The vehicle also features cutting-edge technology, such as highly advanced driver's assistance suite that even Edward Scissorhands' son could operate. Thanks for watching our entire video, and be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, share this video with friends and family and those who are looking forward to buying an EV car in the coming years. Subscribe and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," and I will personally reply to your comment.